Hello, I'm Paul Gregory, a solutions engineer here at Skillable. I'd like to invite you to join me on the 25th of May to our Lab Developer Workshop. We're going to look at a brand new feature of the Skillable platform. This feature is going to be released during May, so you'll be some of the first people to get some training on this and also get to see the feature in action. Traditionally, when we've built labs on our platform, there's been a one-to-one relationship between the instructions and the lab itself. Today, or during May, we're going to change that fundamentally, where you can now actually have sets of instructions connected to a lab profile. So we'll talk about how this is going to work, how you will launch the labs with the correct instructions that you need, and really look at the use cases today and the use cases for this technology going forwards. Because this is a version 1 of this technology, we would absolutely like to understand your use case scenarios so we can incorporate those for version 2. I hope you can join me on the 25th of May. I look forward to sharing this technology with you. Thank you very much. See you soon.